Hello teachers, so we are now in our 7th video with regards to the PMES for Master Teachers 2025 to 2026. So if kakapanood mo pala ng ating channel, so nauna na po nating i-discuss yung mga ibang NCOY, pero sa i-prepare po natin, mamaya mapakita natin, may actual MOV na po yan. Okay, so pag-usapan muna natin ano ba ang nasa objective number 11. Okay? So, dito, sinasabi, based on our guideline, ang hinihingi sa objective number 11 or NCOY 5.2.3 is interpreted collaboratively monitoring and evaluation strategies of attainment data to support learner progress and achievement. So, para po sa ating mga master teachers, this means that teacher work together to understand and analyze learners' performances. Ano ba ito? For example, test scores, yung mga outputs and assessments. So, together with colleagues, they monitor and evaluate strategies of the mentioned kind of assessment. And based on the data na nakukuha, ina-adjust nila yung teaching strategies if needed. So, with that, ano bang ginagawa? So, nagme-meeting yung mga teachers. So, headed by the principal or the master teacher, they check the scores and they give plans for remediation if needed. Okay, so, as a master teacher, ano ba yung ating kailangan ipakita na MOV? So, we have here 3. But then nakalagay po dito, any of the following documents. Pwede naman po na pumili lang kayo ng isa and then across 4 quarters. But then, sabi ko nga po kanina sa mga nauna kong video, if you are planning to use this for reclass in the future, mas maganda po na lahat itong tatlo ay i-ready na natin. Kasi may mga assessor na hinahanap po itong lahat. Okay? So, I hope clear tayo dyan. So, papakita lang naman. So, ano ba yung mga actual MOVs nito? So, ito po. So, ang una is approved LAC plan or instructional supervisory plan. So, as a master teacher, pinili na lang natin dito ipakita yung supervisory plan kasi ito naman yung talagang meron tayo monthly. So, for example, for February 2026, so isa sa mga hinanap natin ditong objective na align sa PMES objective is itong interpreted and use monitoring. So, andito naman po yung mga activities aligned. Anong date ng February? So, i-highlight na lang po natin yan. So, yan yung ating unang MOV. Approved ng school head, of course. Second MOV is the accomplishment report or minutes of LAC, FGD session or other collegial discussion. So, kung alin po yung meron kayo nito sa school or na kinandak ninyo, yun po ang inyong ipakita. So, for example, alright, so for example, dito sa ating MOV number 2, yung ating FGD result of discussion. So, we have here the activities conducted and what are the given actions. So, from here, ito yung pwede nyo ipakitang MOV of the different activities that you conducted aligned with the given objective. Then, of course, add pictures na lang kayo. Then, attendance sheet. Alright, we have here another option kung ayaw nyo ng FGD. For example, nagkaroon kayo ng faculty meeting. So, you just put or attach the minutes. Then, in that minutes, napag-usapan nyo yung about sa learner attainment data and what are your actions? How did you address to solve if there are issues or concerns? So, collaborative discussions palagi. Then, add ulit kayo ng pictures and attendance. Ganyan naman po lagi if ever you're going to present minutes. Then, ang ating pangatlong MOV, yung all about performance monitoring coaching form aligned with the given discussion. So, we have here the sample. So, here, Ito yung sample natin. So, andito yan. For example, yung significant incidents or description. Again po, this is the new template ng ating performance monitoring and coaching form. Hindi na po yung gaya ng dati. So, significant incident, impact on job, coaching mechanism, the feedback, and progress to date. So, meron po tayo ditong dalawang sample na ginawa. So, you may pause this video and you may screenshot this one kung parehas tayo ng ginawa. Yan po. Alright. So, yan po yung ating sample. I hope nakatulong yung ating mga pinapakitang MOV dito. Ang sa gayon ay mas maging madali sa inyong paggawa ng inyong PMS para sa ating IPCRF ngayong darating na submission hanggang June 2026. So, yan po. Kung nakatulong tayo or if you have additional inputs, because just like what I am saying, hindi po ito perfect, you can always add. Lagay nyo lang po sa ating comment section. So, thank you for watching po and God bless.